Using this protocol, we can easily produce quite a number of flavonols from flavonones in one pot.
This technique is labor and time-saving, highly cost-effective, and easy to control, so it has a huge industrialization potential. Yes, this method can provide insight into economic production of other secondary metabolites, but it needs some modifications when applied to it. He will usually get nothing or very low yield. My advice is to handle recombinant enzymes on ice and add 10% glycerin to the stock solution of enzymes. That's because only through visual demonstration can a new hand understand the important details and tricks affecting the successful execution of the experiment.
First, prepare buffers. Make 2 times synthetic buffer by dissolving appropriate amount of tris base, sodium ascorbate, alpha-ketogluteric acid into deionized water and pipette appropriate amount of glycerol to the solution. Use a pipette to add hydrochloric acid to adjust the pH to 7.2 and adjust the volume by adding deionized water. Store the 2 times synthetic buffer at 4 degrees Celsius for future use. Then, make a 100 times stock solution by dissolving ferrous sulfate heptahydrate in deionized water. Make a stock solution of 25 millimolar flavonoid by dissolving flavonoid in methanol and store the solution at -20.